Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, April 9th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the futures trading lower by 7 3/4 points to 28.90.5 per contract. All in all, you're going to see that the futures really have been tumbling over the last hour or so. So we'll see how this plays out today. Again, markets have been up quite a few days in a row. I think 6 or 7 or 8. At this stage of the game, we're due for a little bit of a pause or a pullback. Let's see what we get today. It should be interesting. In the meantime, we got lots of stocks in the news, so let's get started. We're going to start off with the first one here, which is going to be U.S. Steel. Looks like they were downgraded today. Stock right now is trading at $18.85, closed at $19.74. I honestly don't see anything great here for U.S. Steel. So when I look at the chart, I'm going to wait on this one. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings today. We'll see how it plays out. But again, I'm just not seeing a level that gets me interested in this name right now. So again, let's keep it on the radar. But there's nothing to do yet in U.S. Steel, which is ticker symbol letter X. Next up, we want to take a look at Wynn Resorts. That is in the news today. It looks like they made a proposal for Australia's Crown Resorts. Again, the stock right now trading at 140.31. Wynn has been flying high as of late. Stock is already overbought and extended. So let's see what it gives us here. Let's see what kind of pullback we get. Maybe we could even see a pullback a little bit deeper than where we are now. So again, stock closed at 144.85, now trading at 140.32. And again, that is coming on a proposal for Australia's Crown Resorts. We'll see how that plays out. Again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at SAP. It looks like that was downgraded by two firms today. So it looks like it was downgraded by HSBC and also UBS. Stock right now is trading at 112, closed at 114.93. That's a nice little haircut there. If this stock gets down to around the 108, 107.50 level, I don't know if it will do that. That would be a long way off. I love the stock there today. But in the meantime, we'll look at some other levels. We'll see where it goes. Right now, I do think around the 110 level looks attractive as well. So we'll see how that plays out. And we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Next up, I want to take a look at American Airlines. AAL is a ticker symbol. Looks like they lowered top end of guidance for Q1. Again, that stock right now is trading at $33.78. Basically just a touch below where it closed yesterday at $33.88. So again, we're not going to make too much out of it. I am still giving American the upside bias to around $35.50 to $36. We'll see what it does right now on this guidance issue, but nonetheless, stock is holding up well in the pre-market. Let's take a look at GWPH, GW Pharma. This stock is getting a nice little bid. It looks like a competitor received a refusal letter for its seizure drug, and this is helping GWPH, which has been really very, very strong over the last several months. Stock right now is trading at 173.50, closed at 167.70. So good little move there. And the company that reported got the refusal letter by the FDA was Zogenix. So that stock is getting hammered today. The ticker symbol there is ZGNX. We'll type that one in. You can just see how bad it's getting hit. And again, that's trading at $37.80 now, closed at $51.84. So, ouch, that is ugly. A lot of support down here. We'll see if it can hold these levels. But nonetheless, that is down on the back of news that the Food and Drug Administration refused to review a marketing application for a seizure treatment. So, again, that's good old biotechs for you. Let's take a look here at Disney. Disney, I believe, was upgraded today at Cowen. Stock is trading at 115.83, closed at 114.97. So Disney on the move today. Let's go over to Pentair. PNR is the ticker symbol here. I think this was on the back of earnings. Not a lot of volume here, so you got to watch this one at the opening bell. Stock closed at $45.25 yesterday. Now trading at $40.22 after reporting earnings. So be a little bit careful here. It looks like there's a lot of support around 36 if it gets down there. So we'll keep that on the radar. I don't know if it'll go that low, but it certainly could. Let's take a look at C-Trip. This just came on my wire a couple minutes ago. Looks like that was down due to a possible bond offering. So the stock right now trading at 45.09, closed at 46.01. I'm still seeing a lot of support on this name around the 44 level and then more around 43. So we'll keep this on the radar today as well. So we don't have a lot of earnings. We're right before the start of earnings season, which will begin on Friday. So let's take it slow and steady. We'll see what this market gives us. Right now we have the futures down about 8.25 points on trade talks with Europe that are breaking apart. So we'll see how this plays out. Let's move over to the gold market. Gold futures trading up 7.5 points at 1309.5 per ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that's trading at 123.22, up from 122.55. So gold is on the move. Crude oil down about 15 cents today to $64.25 a barrel. So we're not going to make too much out of that. If you look at the USO, you'll see that's trading at around 13.36. So again, we'll see how this all shakes out today. If you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. We'd love to have you with us. And again, take that 7-day free trial if you have not done so, or come over and trade with us anyway. Once again, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we'll see you all a little bit later on the charts.